Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you our unboxing and feedback after buying this LG side-by-side fridge that I bought at Abenson Store. I got it for 54,000 pesos or $990 only by paying in full cash. The original price is worth 69,995 pesos or $1,281. Its main features are the following: linear cooling, door cooling, ultra sleek door, large capacity, smart diagnosis, and a smart inverter compressor. With linear cooling, seals in farm freshness for longer. Linear cooling reduces temperature fluctuations, locking in the flavor of fresh for up to 7 days. Door cooling delivers freshness evenly and faster, and drinks are colder and food stays fresher, with even and faster performance of door cooling. Enhance your decor with an ultra sleek door. The ultra sleek door instantly enhances the decor of any kitchen. Smart diagnosis keeps you a step ahead. Troubleshoot minor issues and update maintenance alerts so you can avoid the hassle of service calls. Energy efficient and durable. The LG Smart Inverter Compressor takes energy efficiency to the next level to help you save more and enjoy 10 years of peace of mind. With inverter technology, efficient energy savings. Thanks to LG inverter technology, it ensures market-leading efficiency by using fewer components than conventional compressors. Hence, inverter technology has fewer friction points, making less noise. Here are its dimensions. Abenson's delivery is quite cheap compared to its competitors. Our purchase was delivered the next day as they had stock in their warehouse. It's very convenient and fast. Here are its specifications. Now let me show you what it looks like inside. On the left side are the freezer shelf, freezer door basket, and ice maker. My brother made a lot of ice to sell. On the right side is the fridge shelf where you can store refrigerated foods and fresh foods. Here you can put your bottled water, eggs, etc. The fresh zone basket is where you put your vegetable and fruits. Here's the control panel where you can adjust the fridge temperature. Just press this button repeatedly to select a desired temperature between -23 degrees Celsius and -15 degrees Celsius. The default freezer temperature is negative 18 degrees Celsius. It comes with a manual if you want to know more about the Express Cool, Express Freeze, and lock safety features. Our usual electric bill without a fridge is usually 1,800 pesos, and after a month of usage, the bill reading is only 2,393 pesos. It's really energy efficient. Highly recommended.